Moni Singh. Now we are going to solve few numericals based on speed. So the question 1 is showing that the distance between Delhi and Jaipur is 150 km and a bus take 3 hours to cover same distance. This distance, now calculate speed of bus. So what values we are having? We are having distance, that is 150 km, and time is also given, that is 3 hours. So what we have to calculate now? Speed. Formula of speed is, as we know, that it is distance upon time. So how much distance it is? 150 km. Okay. And what is time given here? 3 hours. So let us divide 150 by 3. 3 5s are 50. So it is 50 km per hour. So what is the speed of the bus? That is going from Delhi to Jaipur. It is 50 km per hour. Okay. Now next question. It is based on the above speed only. Convert above written speed into kilometer per minute and meter per second. This is conversion. This is conversion from kilometer per hour to kilometer per minute. That means we have to convert hour into minute and next one into meter per second. Next one is, it is meter per second. So we have to convert kilometer into meter, then hour into second. Okay. So what speed we are having? It is 50 km per hour. So what is the value of in 1 hour? How much minute? It is 60 minutes. So write down here. Let us write here value of hour into minute. It is 60 minutes. Okay. So 50 km upon 60 minutes. So divide it by 10. 10 5s are 50. 10 6 are 60. So this is 5 upon 6 kilometer per minute. The speed of the same bus in kilometer per minute is, it is covering 5 km into 6 minutes. This is 5 upon 6 km per minute. That means it is covering 5 km in 6 minutes. Now let us convert it into meter per second. So again put in writing same speed, 50 km per hour. So in 1 kilometer, how much meter? This is 1000 meter. So write down value of meter here, 50 multiply 1000. Then hour into second. So in 1 hour, 60 multiply 60 second, that is 3600 second. 3600 second. So let us divide 0 to 0 cut, then if we divide it by 2, then it is 225, then 2 18. Again, how we can divide it? Again by 2. 2 9s are 2, 2 5s are. Okay. So what is the value here? 125 upon 9. This is meter per second. What is this? Meter per second. So same bus is covering 125 meter in 9 seconds. Its speed is in 125 in 9 seconds. It is covering the distance of 125 meter. Okay. Now the next question is, in this question distance is given, it is 450 km, and speed is given, it is 100 km per hour. What we have to find out? Time. So how much time it will take to cover the distance of 450 km in speed of 100 km per hour. So let us put the value of distance. It is 450. Then what is here? Speed 100. So this is 5 2s are 5 9s are 9 upon 2. This is 9 upon 2. What is this? Time in hour. 9 upon 2 hour, that is 4.5 hour. So how much time it will take to cover the distance of 450 km by this speed? It will take 4.5 hours to cover the distance of 450 km with speed of 100 km per hour. So this is how we can solve the numericals based on speed, and we can also calculate time. We can also calculate, if speed and time is given, then we can calculate distance as well, and we can do conversion also. Okay, I hope you understood how to solve all these questions. Now you look at the screen.